How could you reset your password in order to get access to the ignition gateway? So simple steps needs be done. So the first is so right now I'm trying this password and I'm not getting. So in order to reset, what you need to do here is let's open the cmd command, cmd, and run as administrator. So yes. Now you need open the path or the directory about ignition. So in my case, it is here. So C, program files, inductive automation, ignition. So let me copy and let me open this folder over here, CD. Okay, here we are. Now the next step is this. The another command is gw cmd p for to reset the password, and we're gonna do right now. So here says password has been reset, gateway needs to be restarted. So let's give this command here, wcmd -r. So let me do that, and gonna take some seconds in order to restart your gateway, but we're gonna be there. We're gonna restart our gateway, and you're gonna see that gonna show up like the prompt that you can put the new password in order to get access to your gateway. So let's wait for that. Okay, gateway needs to be commissioned. So right now what we need to do here is, let me just update or reload this page. And like you can see, let me put the name that has access on this gateway here. And I'm gonna put the new password for that. So let me put here something like that. Okay, and now I'm gonna finish, start gateway. Let me update the password over here. And this may take a moment. Ignition gateway is starting. So let's wait for that. And okay, it's restarted. So now let's go here and log in. So Rob, and now let's put here the password that I just created right now. And here we are. So now we have access for everything here. So this is the simple steps that I'd like to show you. If you like, just give your thumbs up and see you next video.